let's take a tour of my electronic workbench. So starting from the left over there, those red lights, that's a fused switch panel for my 12-volt system. That has there's a 20 amp 12-volt power supply underneath there, and then the little miscellaneous tools in front of that. Across from that, I have a frequency generator set for 1 kilohertz right now. Below that is my Gold Star oscilloscope, 20 megahertz 2-channel oscilloscope. And above the frequency generator, I've got a capacitance substitution box, and across from that is another resistive substitution box. Below that, I've got the red and blue light. That's a DC load, homemade one. And then I've got a power supply, Ectech power supply under there. And we'll pan across to the I've got a that's my Siglent 1202XE oscilloscope, and above that is a VHF SWR watt meter. Across from that is my VHF radio, and below that I've got a HF radio, and then below that's the tuner, and in between there is another power supply. And go a little further over. Those gauges there, the first gauge, it's a pressure gauge, but in back of that I have a transducer that I can use for testing pressures. And then over on the wall here, I've got a bunch of cable hooked up to the wall. We'll go down to the desk part, and I've got my HF rigs there and some tools. I have components in those plastic bins there. My microphone, I've got or my speaker, not my mic, and I've got that red button's emergency button. I can kill the power to the bench here if the magic smoke starts coming out. Below that I have a variac transformer, and next to that I have a isolation transformer, and then my Heiko soldering iron, and then some miscellaneous meters. Then, I don't know if we can get to this, if we pan down to the I have a drawer underneath the unit here, and this has just a lot of various parts in there that I need, resistors, transistors, diodes, capacitors, kind of my junk drawer there. And then back up to the top, I have, that's the 1 meter there, that's the MFJ antenna tuner. Then I've got a 420 milliamp tester and my LED tester, and above that, you won't see that up there, but that's all my little projects that I've made, mostly telemetry systems. Anyway, that's a tour of my my workbench there. This is my work area right here, and well, thank you.